Our communities and our nation need a new start after suffering the effects of years of an unambitious Welsh Labour government and destructive Tory austerity from Westminster. We need a new start now more than ever, as we face the biggest health and economic crisis in memory. A new voice is needed in the Senedd to ensure that the needs of the communities of this region are prioritised in Cardiff Bay. I became a member of Plaid Cymru because the current political system does not enable the people of Wales to secure a prosperous and fair future. My politics are rooted in empowering people. I'm supportive of the cooperative, communal, democratic socialist tradition that Plaid Cymru advocates as a path out of need, poverty and deprivation towards prosperity and self-confidence, a model so different from that of the parties who want to centralise power. Creating social equality, protecting and developing our economy, our environment, culture and language through such principles is at the heart of Plaid Cymru's aims and my vision. By strengthening and nurturing these roots, it'll be possible to create support for full self-government that will give us the ability and power to create this Wales anew. My priorities for South Wales West are green economic development, tackling social inequality, resolving the crisis in the health and social care service, and maintaining and supporting our culture and language. To do this, we must win elections at all levels in this region. I pledge to help to do that by recruiting new members and supporting grassroots local activism and campaigns, and utilising the knowledge and experience of all our members. I've been inspired by the conversations I've been having with you over the last few weeks by email, social media and telephone. Together, we can create a new, better future for our communities and for our nation. Help me be that new voice for our region and for Wales.